Welcome to the Test Kitchen. I'm Tom Ross with the Benny Keith Culinary Resource Team. Today's featured product is going to be fresh corn on the cob. When in season, there is nothing better than fresh roasted corn on the cob. But today's special recipe is going to be a Pastel de Elote cake, also known as a Mexican sweet corn cake. Key ingredients today are going to be fresh corn on the cob, as well as our fresh from Keith's half and half. All right, let's get started. Mix 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup white sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, 3 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla, 1½ tablespoons of corn oil, 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of white flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/2 cup of half and half, and 1 cup of fresh corn kernels. Now coat your pan. We're adding these corn husks for decoration. Now gently pour in the mixture. Okay, now all we have left to do is bake this off 375 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Let's go. Whew. Okay, there you have it. A beautiful Pastel de Elote cake. Let's get this plated up. All right, here we are. Got our cake fresh out of the oven, topped with powdered sugar and just begging to be topped with fresh fruits, ice cream. Folks, this could be paired with a lot of different products, whipped cream, you name it. Today we've paired ours with vanilla bean Tillamook ice cream, and we're gonna add some fresh sliced strawberries and a little bit of caramel. Get a good scoop over here. Don't skimp on the strawberries. Complemented with our caramel sauce. There you have it, Pastel de Elote. All right, folks, before I dig in, I wanted to encourage you to get out there and explore and utilize your fresh seasonal produce items. You never know where they might take your menu. Thanks for watching.